Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Preble County, southeastern Darke County, west central Clark County, northern Montgomery County, southern Miami County, until 7 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Englewood, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Huber Heights, Troy, Trotwood, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Milton, Pleasant Hill, Brown, Riverside, Clayton, Union, Brookville, Shiloh, Phillipsburg, Verona, Laura, and Potsdam. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 17 and 46. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 75.